lucky, bro. Wrong window, bro. That window. You badass, bro. What's you gonna do? What the f you gonna do? What the f you gonna do? What the f you gonna do? You a badass in a car. What you gonna do, boy? He didn't know what to do. He was like, you're right, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to do a burnout when my tire caught. I'm gonna do a burnout when my tire hook that took off. I was really gonna do a burnout with the tire hook, and then the light turned green. You're just looking at me with that stupid look in his. Well, what are you gonna do, bro? You're not saying nothing, you're not doing nothing. You roll down your window, but you roll down the driver's window when I'm on the passenger side. He didn't know what to do. He didn't know what to do. It's so funny. Everybody wants to be a badass.